Hello guys, in this video we will see how to run SQL script in MySQL. We can run MySQL script by using following 5 methods. Here we have divided into 2 environments, from one Windows environment and Linux environment. From Windows environment, first we will run from the Windows command prompt. Then we will run from MySQL on Windows. Then we will run MySQL script from Workbench. In the second part, we will run the SQL script in MySQL from Linux command prompt. Then MySQL shell from Linux. Let's open Windows command prompt. Open command prompt as administrator. Right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. See, this is the window we get. By default, it opened in Windows System 32 directory. Let's create a file in my home directory. Notepad. Then enter the SQL commands. Use R2schools. See, this is the database I am going to work on. Now create table billing bill name Vaka 30 and int and amount. Save this one. Here save type as, and file name can be anything, but I am saving this file as Windows cmd.sql. Give meaningful way and click on save. Now run. We have to give the command mysql -u, then username, then -p, then less than symbol, put double quotes. My file stored in my currently logged in user desktop. Users, then desktop, then we have given the file name as Windows cmd.sql, then press enter. Then here we have to provide the password of the root user. We can give any user which have the permission for the database which you are going to perform. Press enter. It is success. If it is not success, then it might give error. Let's connect to MySQL and verify. Then provide the password. Now switch to, see here, we have created table in R2schools. So switch to R2schools. Show tables. See, table is created. Okay, first method is success. I am dropping this table. Why I have dropped? Because I am going to run the same script from MySQL. Now we are going to run same SQL script from MySQL shell. Connect to MySQL -u root -p. Source, then file stored in users Karnaka desktop, then script file name and press enter. See, it is success. Let's connect to R2schools database and verify. Show tables. See, build table has been created successfully. So we have seen second method. We can also connect MySQL by directly opening MySQL shell. Start programs, then MySQL command line client. Open it. Then provide the password. See, we have connected MySQL from the MySQL command line client as well. Run the same command, it will work. Okay. Now we are going to run the same SQL script from the MySQL Workbench. Let me open MySQL Workbench. start, then search for, if you haven't installed, install it and work it. Workbench, then search for Workbench, click on open. Then click on instance or click on this button to connect MySQL server. Then provide the connection string information. I am going to connect my localhost, it's already connected. Just provide the password for the user. See, I have successfully connected. Then click on schemas. Click on the database. Expand it. See, the same database, the same table exists. Right click and drop it. Now, right click and refresh it. See, that table has been gone. Now we are going to run the same SQL script from the MySQL Workbench. File, open, select the Run SQL script. Then select the SQL script and click on open. Select it and click on this open button. See, it is asking the default database name and character set. I have already given the default database name. Then click on run. See, it is importing. See, importing Windows SQL, importing the script file, finished executing script, operation completed successfully. Then close it. Now right click and refresh all. See, the new table has been created successfully. So we have seen how to run SQL script from MySQL Workbench as well. Until now we have seen how to run SQL script in MySQL on Windows environment. Now we are going to run SQL script in MySQL on Linux environment. I have connected to my Linux server. Let's create a SQL script with the same script. Cat create table.sql. Use, here we have to provide the database name. Create table build name varchar amount integer. Then press enter and Ctrl D to save the file. Let's view the content of this create table .sql file. See, it is going to create this table in this database. First step, we are going to run from Linux command prompt. MySQL -u, then provide the username, then -p. Then here we have to give less than symbol and provide the script file name. See, before running, if it takes longer time, then it is better to use no-hop. But here my script is small, it takes less than a minute, so I am running directly. Otherwise, use no-hop. Press enter. Then provide the password. See, it's success. Let's verify by connecting to MySQL. Use R2School. Show tables. See, build table has been created successfully. Let's drop this table. Why? Because we are going to run the same script from MySQL command shell, MySQL shell on Linux. Okay, so tables. See, the table has been gone. Next method is running the same script from MySQL shell. Connect to MySQL shell or client -u, username, then password. Then switch to database R2School. Let's verify the tables. See, there are only 3 tables. Now run the same script from the MySQL. Source, then provide the script file, SQL script file. Create and table, then the file extension. See, it is success. Then run the same command, show tables. See, new table has been created successfully. So, we have seen how to run SQL script in MySQL shell on Linux. So, we have seen all possible ways to execute SQL script in MySQL in Linux and Windows environment. For more MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.